This is After Effects Apprentice Lesson 5, Comp 6. When you open that, you'll see this text. We'll go back. We'll go to the beginning of the timeline, and we'll twirl down. And the first thing we want to animate is position. We are going to add a property, enable 3D character, and we'll see that in our 2.5D box, it gets this little double box happening in here when we do it correctly. Next thing we want to do is we want to look at two views. Horizontal. The active camera view is what we're actually going to see in reality, and we want to this window, we want to set it to custom view 1 so that we can see 3D text is doing as we're setting up our keyframes. We are going to keyframe our position, and set it at 0, -75, and -350 on the z-axis. And we see how it gets pushed forward. And then we'll go down to 2, and we will zero them both out. Next, we'll go down the range selector, and we want to keyframe our start at 0. And back at 2, we want it to be 100%. And then next we want to add the property opacity. And we want to set opacity to 0. We'll go back to one view. And that's what you want to render. Make sure your name is on the file name.